Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi. Today, it's an exciting day. That's right, it's day number 5 with our Bird and Blend Tea Advent Calendar. And I've had such amazing teas so far that I cannot hardly wait to see what is in the day 5 number box. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Okay, day 5. Let's stick the glasses on so we can read that small print. Ooh, today's is candy cane. All right, tongue-tingling candy cane mint tea. It is a black tea that we brew for 4 minutes, and it's good with or without milk. Our ingredients are Sri Lankan black tea, peppermint, lime leaves, pink cornflowers, red cornflowers, stevia, and natural flavoring. All right, so we have a little bit of artificial sweetener in there, as well as all of the peppermints. Though that just smells like a cardboard box. That would be why I smell the tea bag, Linda. Candy cane, that would be very interesting. A black tea base candy cane. Oh, come on. Don't rip the freaking bag, stupid. Me, not you. Alright, so if you can see inside of the bag, you can see those pink cornflowers in there and some looks like blue cornflowers. Looks like marigold leaves, but I mean, it is very interesting looking. It doesn't really have much of a smell at all. That's all right. We will still be happy to drink it. All right, let's grab a tag. All right. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Counting down.
All right. Oops. All right. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. All right. If this is your first time at the channel to check out our Advent Calendar series, hey, thanks for coming by. I appreciate it tremendously. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Linda. I am a mostly self-taught potter who has a pretty significant hot tea addiction. We are in the middle of my pottery studio called Whimsy Kettle Teapots, and I am happy to be here to tell you my thoughts and views about different types of teas. If you're returning to the channel to see what our lovely Bird and Blend box has in store for us, I am so glad that you have come back to spend some of your time with me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I am excited for the new year. I have a whole bunch of plans for next year that I'm super duper excited about. Hopefully, cross your fingers, that everything will go as planned and that you will see some exciting things coming from me. Not just on the tea video front, but pottery wise. I will say, so far with day 5, not having had this tea yet, but with the other 4 that we've had from our Bird and Blend box, I'm really pleased with it. They are, I like the fact that you get 2 tea bags so that you can share with someone should you choose to, but also the fact that so far the teas have been holiday based, and that's kind of fun. I mean, that's a lot of fun, honestly. Ooh, Hey Siri, stop timer. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I twisted it that way. All right. So we will grab our tag. This is really plumped up in the tea bag. You can see the difference in the black tea and the mint leaves without any problems. Most of those cornflowers have lost their color. It is not the yum yum color. It is quite light, but that's all right. I mean, it wasn't a whole bag of black tea, so that's all right too. It does have a pretty nice color to it, though. You know, it's like I said, not the yum yum color, but it is a very pretty color to it. It is clear, so I'm not seeing any particulate in it. You can see through it without any issues. The smell is, you can smell the mint, but just barely. Other than that, it really doesn't have that much of a smell to it. So, stop. So this tea is very interesting. It's Stormy. It's not so much candy cane like to me. It's sweeter than some of the other teas that we've had. Like the hot cocoa, this is sweeter than that, but honestly, to me, the taste isn't far off from it. There's not, that one had a pronounced chocolate taste. This one doesn't have the chocolate taste to it, but it's still very similar. But I wouldn't say it tastes like a candy cane. Now, a black tea base with a mint to it, it is quite lovely. It's not like an Andes mint, but it is a stronger mint tea that is a little bit on the sweet side. I am enjoying it, despite what it sounds like. But would I get this again? Honestly, probably not. I'd rather have the hot cocoa. But this, if someone gave me this cup of tea, I would be very happy. I would drink it and I would thank them for it because it is a delightful cup of tea and it is blended very well. But I think I do like the hot cocoa just a little bit better than the candy cane because this is not overwhelmingly candy cane. Well, I guess saying that, I appreciate that it is subtle and that it's not like whacking you over the head with a candy cane flavor to it. I mean, but I am enjoying it, and it's definitely, you definitely have that cooling mint to it as you breathe in. It is like that cooling mint flavor to it. So, like I said, I am enjoying it. I do think it's blended really well, and I do like it. I just don't think I'd get it for myself again. All right, well, thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. I really do appreciate it. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Well, hey there. Did you enjoy the content today? I really hope so. If you did, think about subscribing. That would really help me out. Thanks!